How to set up Linktree account. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how you can set up your own Linktree account. Now before we start, what is Linktree? Linktree is a web-based service that allows users to consolidate multiple links into a single clickable link. The service is primarily used on social media platforms such as Instagram and Twitter, when users can only add one clickable link to their bio or profile. By using Linktree, users can create a landing page that displays a collection of links to their various social media profiles, websites, blogs, and other online resources. The platform is user-friendly and easy to use, with users simply creating a free account, customizing their Linktree landing page with their own branding, and adding links to their other online content. Linktree is designed to simplify the sharing of multiple links and is particularly popular among social media influencers, bloggers, businesses who want to direct their followers to a variety of their online content in one convenient location. Now, the first thing we're going to do is simply go to Linktree. Over here, this is their URL link. And then we're going to click on sign up for free. And then over here, we are at the sign up page and we're going to enter a username. I'm going to have this as my username. And then we're going to enter our email address. And then we're simply going to click on create account. We're then going to enter our password. And then it's going to ask us information about ourselves. For example, our name. We're simply going to add our name, just like that, and then click on continue. We're going to select a category that best describes your Linktree. We need to answer this question so that Linktree will be able to customize itself so that it could better suit our style. And we have the options: businesses, creative, education, entertainment, fashion and beauty, food and beverage, government and politics, tech, other, non-profit, health and wellness, travel and tourism. For me, I'm going to select business, and then we're going to select our business category such as agency and consulting, automobile, crafts, financial services, legal services, startup, shopping and retail. I'm going to choose shopping and retail for now, and then we're going to click on continue. And over here, it's going to show us the plan for Linktree. Of course, there is a free option over here wherein we are still able to have unlimited links and link apps. We have clicks and views. We would be able to see clicks and views for the past 28 days. We would be able to collect payments, tips and donation, and zero transaction fee for a limited amount of time. For the starter, we would have extra, which is the customizable themes and buttons and fonts. Whereas we are also going to have a longer period for clicks and views. We could also see spotlight and schedule and animated links. There's also priority service, response time, which is 24 hours. And there's also pro, which is more recommended. And we have the premium for VIP plan for creators and businesses. There's also annual options over here, which is a bit cheaper than the original if you're getting it for an annual plan. Now we're simply going to click on the free and we're going to click on join for free. And after that, we are now finished signing up. We're going to have to verify our account, and after clicking continue to my Linktree, it's going to send us a link into our inbox. And after verifying our account and then signing in, we are now over here at the whole page of Linktree. Over here at the top, we have links, appearance, analytics, and settings. Over here under the link, we would be able to add our different links for our social media or other platforms that we want to have links on. And we also have appearance. This is where we will be able to customize how our landing page is going to look like. We also have analytics over here. This is where we will be able to see how many people has opened our landing page, how many people click a specific link, just like that. There's also settings over here. As you can see here on the right, this is a preview of what our landing page would look like on a phone. And when we start adding our links, we would be able to see updates over here on the right. And what we're going to do first is we're going to explore the links option. As you can see over here, we have this big button of add a link, and we're simply going to click this. And then over here, we will be able to enter our URL of any page that we like. We can see all the options that we have over here. We're going to click on view all. And over here, we could enter URL links from our content such as music, header, Spotify video, our YouTube video, or our Pinterest. We could also add a link to our store, have a link for our request, Spring, tip jar, PayPal, Square. This is mostly for collecting and making money, while this is for content. We also have for our growing following. This is to grow our following in social media such as contact form, Cameo, community, TikTok profile, Gleam, and your contact details. Like we saw earlier in the plan, you can add as many links as you want. It is completely unlimited. And actually, the examples here are not limited to this. We could also click on view all, and we would be able to see more options over here like Audiomack, book, documents, Clubhouse, Facebook, mobile app, music pre-save, TikTok video, Twitter video, Typeform, Vimeo, podcast, and many more. I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to click on add Facebook video over here. And over here, we would be able to add a title, for example, funny Facebook video. And this is where we will be able to put our url.com, just like that. And as you can see over here, this is notify. We have this option to notify our subscriber when we add this new URL link. You could see over here that we also have a redirect option, a thumbnail option, a prioritize option, schedule option, lock option, and the analytics over here. If you want to delete a link, you can simply click on this option over here. Now, when we click on redirect, this will temporarily send all the visitors straight to a link instead of your Linktree. But to access this, we would need to upgrade our plan. We could also add a thumbnail for the specific task over here. Whatever thumbnail that we upload, it is going to appear over here on the right side. This is our preview. It is going to appear behind or as a background of our button. And if we make it a priority, it will draw attention to your most important link. To access this, we would need to upgrade our plan. We could also schedule it, where we will be able to schedule when the link would show up or send the notification that it is currently live. It is also required to be upgraded. And you could add as many links as you want. You could add TikTok videos like that. You could add Gleam. You could add a store if you have a store, just like that. And for example, in Twitter over here, you could go directly to your link. You could set up our title like TikTok. The URL is tiktok.com. That. Then we could click, and then we could add our TikTok account over here. We could choose this option such as display TikTok profile and video, display TikTok profile only, or go directly to URL. We could also, for the Gleam, we can do the same. We have the title, the URL, and then we could edit its settings over here. For our store, we could also add our products over here, add a store provider. We could add our store description. And when you fully set up this individual links, it would appear over here, just like it did for the funny Facebook video. We could also rearrange them by clicking here on the left side. We could arrange our different links, and when you rearrange them, it's also going to rearrange over here on our preview button over here. Now we could also go and check out the appearance over here, where we can choose our profile. Like for example, I'm going to click this and we can upload our own image. We could design with Canva, or you can use your NFT as your profile. I'm going to upload a photo, and as you can see over here on the left side, we could upload a photo from Facebook, a photo from Instagram, or a photo from Google Drive. I am going to select one that I like. For example, this one, I'm going to use this as my profile. I'm going to click save and then upload. And just like that, as you can see here on our preview, our logo has been changed. We could also change our profile title. We could add a bio like, hi guys, like that. And It's going to appear over here also as a bio. We could add social icons by clicking this. We could add icons like Amazon. Then you would need to enter your Amazon URL. You could add different icons such as Android Play Store, Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, Be Real, Cameo, Clubhouse, Discord, email. This, I'm going to enter an email. Then I'm going to click add to Linktree. And as you can see, it's going to appear over here on our display. We could also enable support banner, check out the mail listing integration, see the commerce integration, sensitive materials, the SEOs, the conversion tracking over here. Most of this stuff are locked and we would need to upgrade our plan to access this. But I think the most important thing is we can freely access the links. We can freely have as much link as we want. And I feel like the other lock stuff doesn't really matter unless you really need those functions. But aside from that, I think the free version is good enough as itself. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.